Welcome. In front of me is a POCO F7, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, swipe down from the top right side of your screen, and this will bring down your toggles, and then locate the Do Not Disturb mode, which usually looks like a moon icon. Now, it looks like it's not actually added by default right here, so we're going to click on the edit option and swipe down, and we're looking for, oh, there we go, DND. Click on the plus, and as you can see, this adds it to our list. Click on the checkmark to, you see, save the change. And now, when you have the toggle in your notifications right here, hold it again, and this will take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function once enabled. No, it is actually more specifically right here, Do Not Disturb mode. So there we go, there's the customization. So once you have customized it, you can close this up and you don't ever have to go back there again, as long as you don't want to change anything. And whenever you want to enable Do Not Disturb mode, just simply tap on the toggle. It gives you the message right here, DND is on, and also has this moon icon in your status bar right here to indicate that it is enabled. Once you're done using it, you will need to turn it off by tapping on the toggle once more, as otherwise this mode will run indefinitely in the background. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.